You can order the hood lift supports used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. For more security, we advise changing both hood lift supports. To ensure that the hood stays open, use a large enough prop so that the hood lift supports are fully extended. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, lift the clip at the bottom of the hood lift support that holds the hood lift support in the notch. Repeat this step at the top. Then, take out the hood lift support. You can order the hood lift supports used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take your hood lift support. Be careful to position it the right way up. Lift the clips on both sides of the hood lift support as far as possible. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Insert the hood lift support at the top, then lock the clip. Repeat this step on the lower part of the hood lift support. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Operation complete.